any metrics that can pre-tell us the coins which are about to do 100x. I did a research onto the 5 cryptocurrencies that did 100x plus. In fact, some of them did 200, 300x during the 2021 bull run, right? And then I found a secret pattern amongst all of them, and in fact more than 5, but I'm going to show you the 5 of them, the secrets I'm going to show you live. And there was big sign for everybody to understand that these are the diamond projects to get into, to be prepared for the price run. And just imagine if you happen to know this particular secret, the next time or the coming bull run, you will be able to watch it, right? These are the coins, this is the secret now I have, and I can get into it. I might do that 100x, 200x. And this is simply about the usage and the mass adoption. But the question is, a lot of people do not know how do you find it. So watch the video completely till the end. I'm going to show you each of the 5 coins and how the exact same pattern played out before these coins did 100x, 200x. Please do watch it. So first of all, my favorite coin, Polygon or the Matic. A lot of people have made 200x, 300x. The early buyers, 2019 buyers, they have made 1000x onto it, and it is still out there holding on to that 100x despite the fact it has fallen like 50% from the all-time high. What was the metric? Now let me just quickly show you, like, how do you find? First of all, let me just open the Polygon coins price. So this is the coin, and if you try to see the price pattern, I'm going to show you that secret way of finding out before the coin 100x, so that the next time you are able to do it yourself. So this is opening the chart. I'm going to open the all-time chart over here. As you can see, this is 200% increment from the early time frame, but let's say it was too early. But even here, you see the November, October, November, the price still is 1 cent, 2 cents, right? Until January, it was like 0.017 cents, like less than 2 cents the price was, and then the mega explosion. So was there some indication at this point of time where people could have known that the mega explosion is about to come? Yes, there was. Now let me show you where it is. You can simply go to their website. Let me just open their website. Okay, let me just open the Polygon. I mean, it is not always the same website, so obviously otherwise, like, everybody would be knowing, right, all the data. You will need to find a little bit, where do you find that mass adoption thing? So this is onto the Polygon Scan website where all their transactions are there, and this is the adoption chart. There was this average block size, daily transaction. Now let us just try to see the daily, number of unique addresses. You will be surprised to find the factor that I was just telling. You see, it was 16 distinct address. July, June, July, this 20th of July, this is August, like we are from 16 to 5,000. This is the time, 5,000. And then this is the time till September, it became 100,000. This is a big sign for us that the mass adoption or the usage is growing exponentially, right? And then 100,000, right? And then let's jump on to, like, it went to November, December, January, right? This is the growth rate, right? I mean, if somebody says, hey, from 2, 3, 5, 16, 50, 5,000, 100,000, 150,000, and at this point of time, like, let's say May, it became a more than 1 million, right? During May, early May, it became a more than 1 million number of addresses. And from there onwards, like, how much are we talking about? It is more than 200 million, right? At this point of time, obviously the bear market came in. Now you see this point of time, let's say at this point of time, you would have seen there is an exponential growth because people are using, it is highly useful. Till December 2020, it was like a huge sign, like from 2, 3, 10 unique addresses to 120,000 unique addresses. What was the price at that point of time? If you try to see, the price was during December less than 2 cents. This was big red signal for everybody, like green signal for everybody to jump in onto this particular coin. The halving has happened, the bull run is happening, the Bitcoin price is rising, the mega explosion is about to come. So I just do not want to tell the people, hey, see, this is the thing and then this happened. I want to go back in the history, and because that's where we can make the benefit, right? That is why specifically I've produced this content. And again, guys, smash the like button. It is very highly researched. It took a lot of time to find these information and data. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers, to make multimillionaires, all of our subscribers together in the next bull run. So this is a big sign. And as you can see, like, this became literally like, and then the price held on, and from there, like, let's say from $2, a lot of majority of the coins are like 99.9%, 99, 95% down. This is almost 50% down, you can say. So it's still like it's holding despite like the depths of the bear market is going on, and we are expecting probably it might jump over $5 by the next bull market. Why? Because you see the mass adoption. Like from here, I mean, from here, when the this all-time high may happen, like 2 million, 3 million, we are how much? 100x up, 250 million. And so the number of transactions. This is the indicator metric that should drive ourselves, not those meme coins 100x's. Why? Because it's short term and you do not know whether it is going to sustain, whether it is going to actually do, or like people are going to dump the money onto you. So this is the first project. Let us jump on to the second project, the BNB, the Binance token. Let me just open the price of the Binance token. And then parallelly, I'm going to open the BSC scan. I mean, I just happen to find out the information is out there on the BSC scan, but you will need to find, like, the purpose is to find what is the adoption rate, like whatever the respective coin is serving. If it is game, how many number of users are playing it? We need to find that particular data. So onto the BSC scan I've opened just to find out the data, and this is the all-time chart. As you can see, people were literally, I mean, from the starting, like 0.1 cent. This is the 0.1, like this is 10 cents. 10 cents, like we are talking 3000x, right? We are not going that far, like we're not going to 2017. Let's go to this place, like when it was almost $10, like how much? $10, $15, $12, all these prices. Anytime the entry was amazing. Why? Because it went till $600, right? It is like significant we are talking about. So do we have any sign? Let us just open resources, charts, and the stats. I mean, you need to find out. It's not just available randomly for everyone. You need to find out, dig down somewhere. There is their own website, some other metric website, right? So BSC scan is where the transaction is out there. Now here you see at the start, like September, how much? 5,000, 20,000, 200,000, right? 300,000. And January, it became a million. And then we are talking 50 million. This is the growth rate that we are talking, right? And if you try to see the price, till what time we had the opportunity to enter, like any price, any price, like obviously price was it kept on increasing, but till December we could have entered at any price. Even at this price, like some people would have bought, like it would have 2x, right, in April. But at this point of time, like till 18th of January itself, we had like $30, $40 at these price of time. And how much indicator that we have? We had the indicator from 5,000 to 100,000 in 2020 itself, 300,000, half a million in 2020 itself, right? A million plus in January of 2021. All the sign was there for the people, number of unique addresses. Similarly, you can just watch the number of transactions. Any of the metric that gives the signal how many people are adopting to the usage of the respective cryptocurrency. That is our signal. Let us jump on to the third one, Axie Infinity. Let me just open the Axie, AXS. By the way, this is at the coinmarketcap.com. Again, guys, please do subscribe to our channel. We want to provide the best of the content, and we want to improve the quality and well thorough research. That is why we'll be publishing in a couple of days, like not every single day from now onwards. Why? Because we want to provide much more quality for you guys. This is the indicator, right? At the start of it, like we are talking 17 cents. At the top of it, how much? This is 1000x we are talking, right? 1000. Well, let's say not at that point of time. From here, somebody, we had, like, this is the January $1, right? 29 January till entire January we had 70 cents and this much, right? More than how much we are talking, 200x from January. Now let us try to see the adoption of it. Axie Infinity, number of players, right? You want to know the metric which gives the data of the number of players. So let us just, I mean, this is the Google is giving me this much, right? Activeplayer.io gives the game's usage of number of player. Now let me just search within here. This is good for the gaming thing, activeplayer.io, right? Axie in. So I think some other page just opened. Just a moment. So this is the stats. There you go, guys. Do we have this metric? Axie Infinity live player count chart. You see, January 2020, Feb. Where did the actual growth started happening? October, November, December, January. We see, you see, from like 50,000 users to a million user plus by April, January. And look at the growth rate. This was the big signal. The mass adoption is happening. And now let us try to see the price at this point of time. Like the price literally did not, like we are talking till May, till June, right? Till June. By the next time, like till August, when the next time the price of the Bitcoin recovered back, that's when the mega growth happened. So it is not just dependent on the bull market. Like it is when the market conditions get better and the mass adoption is there, that's when the life-changing gains can be made. And we are talking Axie Infinity literally made like so much gains from these numbers. So it is just the mass adoption that is driving all this value. Let us check a look at the third coin, Phantom. Let me just open it at the Phantom. And again, the price, if you'll see, I want you guys to watch all these 5 coins and do the analysis yourself so that you get better at it. And the next bull run, you are prepared to analyze some of the coins. You are able to identify the patterns beforehand itself. This is the chart for the Phantom. How much? August 0.2 cents, right? 3 cents till, like how much we are talking, till January it was like less than 2 cents. And then within 4 months what happened? Like more than 100x, 120x, 150x, 130x, right? Some of the people, for these people, like literally, I mean, we are talking, some of the people made like 200x, some of them made 100x. But now let us try to see what was the factor behind it, if there is the same factor. There is also the FTM scan, which is going to give us the metric. Let us go and check the resources. Now let me just open the number of unique addresses. And there is a very interesting metric, guys. As you can see, at the start of 2020, we had 1,000 addresses or something, right? And then the growth was really exponential, like 100,000 till May, 100,000, right? Till June it is 100. And so it did not happen right away. And when the price kept incremented like anything, you see, till June it was like really low, and then the price exploded like later on in September, October. And you see, when the mass adoption grew, it went on here, May, June. This was the sign to be accumulating, because from 5,000 to 120,000. So it is not that all the coins just incremented at the same time. And there is one more interesting, like the significance of the Phantom wallet, that it keeps on growing despite the price is like 30 cents or something at this point of time. Just imagine the explosion. We are talking from 3 million to how much? More than 65 million till today. And the price is not incremented that much. So this is a big good signal. Like if in a large cap coin I want to enter, this could be one of the signal. Why? Because we are utilizing the same metric, that mass adoption, and this is the level, the price will follow soon. Now, last but not the least, last coin is the Filecoin. Let me just close this one. So let us just try to open the Filecoin again. People made so much money onto this, and the usage of this Filecoin is the storage basically. So in this case, we will be measuring the data based on amount of storage that it is allowing, right? That would be the measure. More storage, more usage is happening, the more value. That's what our metric is. And remember, guys, the reason I'm repeating all this information, showing you all this, so that it is ingrained within our mind. The next bull run, we are prepared to understand, okay, the mass adoption for these coins are growing, price is about to explode. If it has not exploded, this is a great sign for us, great benefit for us, that we can still get into the coin. It is eventually going to explode. So at this point of time, as you can see, from 2018, $2, $3, like till 2020 itself, like we had, okay, at this point of time, $7. What was the height? $183, right? Now let us try to see the mass adoption of the Filecoin, right? Filecoin, let's say number of storage. I mean, you need to search to find, not all the things are at the same website. You will have to find out maybe some new websites, you will be finding the information. All right, so it is describing about the Filecoin. We want to see the growth rate or the metrics. This is the growth rate, right? Network capacity. I mean, you see the exponential thing that is happening, but there should be more data. This is another one. Use the storage, right? With the normal deal versus this deal. October till October, November, I mean, all these point of time, and that's when the exponential growth started happening. This was the time to realize the curve is here and the price is going to follow soon. And the good part about it, even right now, I mean, obviously the price has incremented at that point. It was a good signal. Even right now, the growth is really great. So if we want to get into large cap coins, this could be one of it. Why? Because the usage drives the value. The usage is increasing. So guys, the reason for covering all these 5 coins is and showing you specifically the research content inside of them, rather than just showing you the screenshot. I have searched it in front of you so that this is how you guys can search. This is how you guys can actually go out and find a coin. Hey, this is the coin, whether it is good or not. Hey, this coin probably for the long term hold by the next bull market. Do not worry about if the price is really low. That's a good sign for you. You go out and check the usage. If the usage curve is growing exponentially and the future holds bright from the usage perspective, the number of people adopting to it, the number of unique addresses building on the respective thing, right? Whatever the use case is, number of people increasing, that is the sign to get into, because by the next bull market, this is the recipe to make those 100x, 200x gains. I hope you like the content, guys. Smash the like button. Please share the video if you believe we deserve more subscribers. Do subscribe to our channel. Comment down below for what do you feel is the next 100 coin and why. I would like to know your reason for it. Okay, this is the coin, this could 100x. You believe, and probably why, right? Is there any research? Where did you find the information? Let us try to share the information to each other. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.